Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to refill your lamps in Windrose. First of all, you'll need to gather the fuel for the lamp, which is animal fat. Animal fat can be obtained from sows and the boars. Now to refill it, go to your workbench and up on the top here you can see refill/repair. You'll have to have the lamp in your inventory. And as you can see, I got this one on 0%. This is going to require 3 animal fats to restore it to 100%. So just click confirm. And as you can see, I got another lamp, which is 90%. And this is also going to require 3 animal fats. So the efficient way is to make sure your lamp is at 0% so you don't waste any more animal fats. Hope this helped. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.